Thinking about investing in real estate? Stop! First-time investors often make costly mistakes that can ruin their plans before they even start. In this video, I'll reveal the 5 biggest mistakes new real estate investors make and how you can avoid them. Stick around, this might save you thousands of dollars. Mistake number 1, skipping proper research. The first mistake? Not doing enough research. Jumping into real estate without understanding the market is like sailing without a map. You're asking for trouble. Here's what you need to research before buying. 1. Local market trends. Is the market growing or declining? 2. Comparable properties, comps. What are similar homes in the area selling or renting for? 3. Neighborhood analysis. Is it safe? What are the schools like? Is it close to amenities? Pro tip. Use tools like Zillow, Redfin, and local real estate market reports to gather data. The more you know, the smarter your investment will be. Mistake number 2, underestimating costs. Underestimating the true costs of owning real estate. Buying the property is just the beginning. Beyond your mortgage payment, there are additional expenses that can quickly add up, like maintenance and repairs. Think plumbing issues, roof leaks, or HVAC breakdowns. 2. Vacancies. If your property sits empty, you still have to cover the costs. 3. Property management fees. If you hire someone to manage your property, that's another expense. Pro tip. Always budget for at least 10 to 20% of the property value to cover unexpected expenses. It's better to be over-prepared than caught off guard. Mistake number 3, overleveraging. The third mistake is a big one, overleveraging. Many first-time investors rely too much on loans, stretching their finances to the limit. When you take on too much debt, even small changes, like rising interest rates or unexpected repairs, can leave you in financial trouble. Remember, real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. Pro tip. Keep your debt-to-income ratio low and don't overestimate future cash flow. Being conservative with your numbers is key to long-term success. Mistake number 4, not having a clear exit strategy. No exit strategy. You should always have a plan for what happens if things don't go as expected. Here are some common exit strategies to consider. 1. Flipping. Renovate and sell quickly for a profit. 2. Hold and rent. Generate long-term cash flow from tenants. 3. Refinance. Use the equity to secure better terms or fund another investment. 4. Sell. If the market is hot, you might choose to cash out. Pro tip. Have multiple exit strategies in place so you're never stuck with a property you can't afford or don't want. Mistake number 5, letting emotions drive decisions. Letting emotions take over. Real estate is a business, and decisions should be based on facts, not feelings. Here's where emotions can hurt you. 1. Overpaying. Falling in love with a property can make you ignore its flaws. 2. Rushing, fear of missing out, FOMO, can push you into deals without proper research. 3. Holding on too long. Sentimental attachment might keep you from selling when it's time. Pro tip, stick to your numbers and investment criteria. If the deal doesn't meet your goals, walk away. Final thoughts and action plan. So there you have it, the 5 biggest mistakes first-time real estate investors make. The good news? Now that you know these pitfalls, you can avoid them and set yourself up for success. Real estate investing can be incredibly rewarding when done right. Avoid these common mistakes and you'll be miles ahead of most first-time investors. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for weekly tips on real estate investing. Have you made any of these mistakes? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories and answer your questions.